Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the fabulous wig. It's literally called Fabulous, in the color Midnight Iris from the Revlon Bold collection. Now, I've done a color spotlight of this Midnight Iris, so if you want to see it in more detail, please be sure to keep an eye out for that particular color spotlight video. This is mainly going to be about the Fabulous wig, which is a really full, rounded, sort of 1960s swing bob. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can kind of see what I mean. The shape of it is very specific and definitely makes me think of, you know, mod culture in general. Oh no, now I've got that theme song, that Quincy Jones song from Austin Powers stuck in my head. I'm very much feeling that in this particular cut. It's really fun. It's got a very definite rounded shape, and it's definitely longer right here in the front. I mean, the gradient isn't really that steep back here. It isn't until it gets towards the face, which again is very specific, very 1960s. This one has a monofilament side part, and it's pretty transparent. You can see my wig cap right there. You can see that knotting. This is a really dark root color, and so you can really see all those knots. But that way you know you're getting quite a few of them there. Here is that front lace line. You can see these Revlon Bold wigs have baby hairs cut into the front. That's a pretty hallmark feature of fashion wigs. You can also see that this lace is slightly darker than the lace on most Caucasian wigs, so you'll have to use a little bit of makeup sometimes to get it to blend seamlessly there for you. Yeah, I like this one. It's very swinging. It's very fun. It's definitely very evocative of the 60s, isn't it? All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so you can see what Fabulous looks like on the inside. So let's check out the inside of Fabulous. Fabulous has a scalloped, sort of taupe colored lace front. Like I said, you may have to use a little makeup to blend that in, but it shouldn't be too hard. It's not too far off. Then we've got a monofilament side part, but it's not a really deep one, as you can tell. Here is the crown, and there's where that lace front ends. So I mean, that's quite a bit of space between the two. So it's not like most brands where it goes this far back. It only goes like that far back. Just want to let you know. The rest of it is open, with a little bit of French lace covering up the wefts. It's also open wefted on the side, and in the back, you've got this lovely extended lace nape. It's just a bit like a bra strap. And then here on the ear tab, it's covered with closed lace. It's not particularly stretchy, and I would say this fits very true to average. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. Before I let you go, let me go ahead and give you some specs. The bang is 10 inches, so it's quite long here in the front, just skirts the jawline really beautifully. The crown down is 9 inches. The nape is anywhere from 3 to 4.5 inches. And the overall weight is pretty substantial because it's a fashion wig, so it's about 3.5 ounces overall. You could definitely feel it's on. And to me, even though this is small on me, you know, it fits very snug, it's very true to average, and I have an average large head. I would say that I feel like it's very secure on, and that the coverage is all right here on the side. Luckily, this color is very similar to my bio hair. So there you have it. I'm Heather from CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you will check out our store if you get a chance. Share, like, subscribe our videos. And until next time, I hope you have a really great night. Bye-bye.